Video, we're going to take a look at the Cloud Shell that's available to you in the Google Cloud Console. This will allow you to build your applications, write code, edit, deploy things in a very consistent environment, so it makes it very easy for everybody to stay on the same page. So you can access this by going to console.cloud.google.com, and you can, once you open that up, you'll be able to see all of the different tools, all of the different applications, everything you can manage there. But we're going to focus on one point for this particular presentation. We want to take a look at the Cloud Shell, and you can see there's a little icon for it when you log in. You're going to see that little command prompt type of icon, and we're going to click that. And when you click that, you will actually see the first time you'll see a little box, telling you a little bit about this. It's setting it up. If you haven't done this for a while, it has to, restart or re-provision and start this machine up. So this is just a really simple little VM that you can use for your development purposes. Now, once this is running, you'll see your typical command line here, just like you would access through SSH. And you also have a code editor, which is going to be useful for us as we progress through the class. So for this one, we'll show a quick demo in the next video, just kind of explaining how you can start this up, how you can run a Python script working from the command line, and we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching.